What is going on, YouTube? My name is Ty, and the blog you see before you is called theXKing.com. I've been blogging for over a year now, and I started a blog with the ambition of making some passive income. My first goal was to make $2,500 a month, then it's $5,000 and $10,000 a month, and that's my goal. And I keep on writing blog posts. So this month, so it's been 13, 14 months, I think 13 months of blogging. And let's see what it did on in of January. Now January is 31 days. Today is January 30th. One more day. And last month in December we did 291 visitors. This month is 242. So not great start for the year because I wanted to go up and up because it was going up. I'm over 283 to 194 and 291. I hope I go at least 290, but tomorrow I probably won't get a lot of views. Might go to 250, 260 on the high end, but won't reach that 290 range that I wanted to get. So the blog is not where I want to be at right now, and it feels like I'm kind of defeated. I'm writing 3 posts per week, and in the past, like in 2018, I did a post every day in November, December, and January of 2019, and then from January to February I did 3 posts per week all 2019 until today, and I'm still doing 3 posts per week, and I'm still not. I probably written over, I don't know, 60, 90, probably 300 articles on the site. So still, some are small, some are nice 1,000, 1,500 words. I have some ghostwriters write, and it's getting I'm getting kind of defeated because it's not going up. I'm not getting a 40-day. If I get like a 50-day visitor day, oh wow, I got 50 visitors today. That's great, but I'm not getting that right now. It's defeating. It's defeating that you work so hard all year and you see little return. But blogging takes a long time, and you can't give up. You got to have that mama mentality, but you can't give up. You got to go harder. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep going hard at it. I'm not gonna quit. You will get defeated sometimes, but I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna keep on going. With my other site, look at my other site here. It's my bowling site, and that's done pretty well. January, 463 views in January compared to December. So, double the amount of traffic in my bowling site. So I'm writing more bowling blog posts more often because they're getting way more traffic. So I want to keep running both blogs because both blogs have potential to make some money. And it's tough with X King is not going where I wanted to go, but I know I can't give up. I know I have to keep on going, keep pushing, and keep on persevering through the troubled times. No, I'm not where I want to be at, but I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna keep going because as soon as I give up, I lost. So if I don't give up and keep on pushing forward, I will make it. So I'm gonna keep writing content, keep you posted on the blog. I might need to get on Pinterest more. I haven't had time to do any Pinterest lately because I have that 2-hour window a day at night, and we have a 1-year-old, 1.5-year-old, and he goes to bed at 10 o'clock, and you spend time with him when you get home from work. And some nights I can't get on the blog. Some nights I do get on the blog, but I will do 1 post and 2 posts, and I don't have time to do tailwind. It's hard but what's more important to me is the content. Publish the content. To me, is more important than Pinterest. To be honest with you, I'd rather write an article than do Pinterest. I mean, because the article keeps the blog going. So yeah, I'm not where I want to be at, but I'm gonna keep on going, keep posting these reviews, and I keep this in perspective. I know I got 292 views this month, but that's more than I believe last year. Last year I wasn't getting anything. Last year 2009. And 19 was the anomaly because I don't know why. I got so much traffic. But 2019, I got 1,000 views, and now I'm getting two. It's crazy how traffic dropped like that. I had 3 or 4 YouTube videos that went viral. That's why I got a lot of traffic. Be honest with you. But 2018, I wasn't getting no views. I was getting nothing, nada. So I'll take this 200 and keep on posting content. That's just my video of blogging 13 months. Now, start your blog. Your results be way better than mine. I'm gonna tell you this: as if you start a brand new blog, get a niche that you're passionate about, you don't mind writing about, write it. Set up a schedule. That's what I didn't do right. I didn't set a schedule. I'm gonna do 2 posts a week. I'm gonna do 3 posts a week. I'm gonna do 4 posts a week, and use WordPress's timestamp feature. Give it a certain date, and it will publish automatically for you on that set date. I love that feature. I love it. So my tips for blogging is find something you're passionate about. You can write about all day. Number 2, set a schedule. And this schedule you will have forever. Set your schedule. If you do 2 posts a week, do 2 posts a week. Okay? Do the schedule. Number 3, stay consistent. You got to keep on writing. And you see my results. Yours might be better or might be worse. But stay consistent. And to keep going. Just to keep on writing. And one good tip is to write a bunch of content and timestamp it. So you write 2 per week, or I do 3 a week. So with 3, 6, 9, 12. You write 12 articles in a week, you're done for the month. You can take 2 weeks off if you want to. So I do it, write 4 or 5 videos one day, then the next day do 4 or 5 blog posts, and the next day I do 3 blog posts and 4 blog posts the next day. So I'm good for another 2 months. Now I take a break and focus on my YouTube channel. I take 3 weeks off my blog, all that's already scheduled, and focus on this. That's why I like blogging. I love blogging. I love it. I love it because I can do the work now, and I can timestamp it for later. I love that, and I love blogging. I actually like writing, but it's not where I want to be at. But right now, I'm gonna get to it one day. I'm gonna keep on posting content. I'm gonna force Google to rank my content. So thanks for watching my video. Stay informed. Have that mountain mentality because you gotta have it. Get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and keep on posting content. Keep on doing it until you make it. Make yourself make it. If you want to start a blog, I use Bluehost. Below the video, I have a link to Bluehost. You can start the blog, start running content, start your online business. My name is Tyler with AskKeen.com. Thank you for watching my video.